going to do a Simply Earth essential oil recipe box unboxing. I've done several of these before. I will leave those linked in a playlist here. But basically, Simply Earth is a website that sells essential oils for a fraction of the price, but they also do this really cool recipe box where you get 4 essential oils, recipes, and a few supplies for you to make those different recipes for $39.95 a month. If you guys want to check that out, I will leave a referral link down below, as well as my referral code Anya Marie Free. If you use that code when you guys check out, you get a free bonus box, which is basically a bunch of things like carrier oils and like wax and things that you would use to create the different recipes, as well as like vials and roller balls and different things like that. I also did an unboxing of that box, so if you guys want to check that out, that's in my first Simply Earth unboxing. I'll leave that link here again if you guys want to check that out. When you use that Anya Marie Free code, you also get a $20 gift card to their website. When you do that, it takes, I think, 24 to 48 hours after you purchase to get that, but that's a pretty cool deal that you also get that $20 gift card. So if you guys are interested in that, I will leave that linked down below. They did send me these boxes, but I'm excited to get them. I love essential oils. I've been using them a lot recently, and I'm really excited about this month's box since it's a holiday themed box. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what's in this box here to start with. As always, when you open up the box, there's 4 oils and then there's the recipes on top. I'm really excited about the recipes this month because I think they are really fun ones that I will definitely use. So first thing, they send 4 oils. So this month they sent the Simply Earth Peppermint Oil, which is actually one of my favorite oils. I love this one for decongesting and using at night. They also sent the Patchouli Oil, the Breathe Easy Oil, which is a mixture of fir needle, cedarwood, frankincense, and myrrh, and clove, which is a spicy floral. So when they send these oils, they usually have them kind of themed out. So last month's were more holiday themed as well as this month's. So like the clove and patchouli are definitely more holiday scent type oils. Then they also send out 6 recipe cards. So this month seems like very self-care oriented. So there is the Trim the Tree Diffuser Blend, which has clove and patchouli in it, which it would just be you mix those oils and use that for a diffuser blend. I'm not the hugest fan of those 2 together, so I'm not sure that I will use that one, but the rest of these I'm very excited about. So obviously it's getting closer, depending on where you live, it's getting closer to winter time, and around here it just snowed. I'm actually having a cold day today because the roads are icy and we can't go to school today. The first recipe that I have here that I'm excited about, but I'm not going to show you on camera, is the Cold Support Chest Rub. I'm really actually excited about this. I use a lot of Vicks Vapor Rub type stuff, so this is probably a healthier way to go about it, but I do live in an area where it gets cold and I get sick a lot easier. I work with kids all the time, so I'm more likely to get sick, and I'm also kind of just a little stuffy right now. So this one, you use beeswax, coconut oil, the Breathe Easy Oil Blend, and patchouli, and you put it in a small jar, and then you use that to help clear your nasal passages. So I assume that you just like rub it on your chest. This one requires a double boiler, which I don't think we have, which is why I'm not going to do this one on camera right now, but I would really like to make this one at some point. A similar one to that is the Congestion Support Roll-On. So this one you mix the peppermint essential oil, Breathe Easy oil, almond oil, and put those together in a roll-on bottle. So basically you just add the essential oils and then you fill the rest of the way with almond oil, and then you use it as a roll-on for relieving congestion. So I'm actually going to make this one now because I'm a little bit stuffed up now. So you guys will get to see me making this one here as I'm describing it. They also sent a recipe for Breathe Easy bath salts. So this one, you just take 5 drops of Breathe Easy essential oil. You take a cup of Epsom salts, which are not included, some fractionated coconut oil, and then you could use food coloring if you wanted to, and you mix those together. When you go to do that, you do need to buy the Epsom salt yourself. So some of these ingredients require you to have a little bit of extra stuff. So if you don't have those around, you can go pick those up, but they are easy to obtain things. I'm not the biggest bath person, and I don't often use bath salts, but I think that Epsom salts are something that I need to invest in at some point, so I'll probably use those at some point. I think that those would be really pleasant. Another one that I'm super excited about here is the Vanilla Mint Lip Scrub. This one you need a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1/8 of a tablespoon of vanilla extract, a 1/2 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, and then a drop of peppermint essential oil, and then you have the little 1/3 ounce jar, which they sent in this month's box. So they sent that with it so that you can put the lip scrub in there. So you mix it together, and then it's just like a natural exfoliant that you could lick off your lips because it has sugar ingredients to do the exfoliating. And then the last thing that I'm really excited about, but I don't have all the ingredients today to make it, is the Tension Relief Bath Bomb. So they did send with this one a little mold here for you to make the bath bomb, which I think is super helpful. So you've got the mold. They also sent in this month's box goat milk powder and the citric acid that you need for this. For this one, you also need a half cup baking soda, a fourth of a cup cornstarch, a fourth of a cup of Epsom salts, a fourth of a cup of citric acid, which they included, a tablespoon of goat milk powder, which they included, coconut oil, patchouli oil, peppermint oil, clove oil, water, and it's usually helpful, it says, if it's in a spray bottle, and then your bath bomb mold. So you mix all the dry ingredients together, then you melt the coconut oil, add in the essential oils, mix that together, and then you slowly add water while stirring in the mixture like it's wet sand, and it'll form in a clump in your hand. So eventually you'll pack it into a mold. If you do different colorings, like you could do food coloring in it to make it look cooler, then you can separate those out and then push the molds together to line them up, create the bath bomb, and then you drop it in and it helps with congestion. So that one I'm really excited about. I just need the supplies. The other really great thing about it is they always send these little sticker labels, so you just need to cut them out and then you just need to stick them on so that you know what the different vials are for and you're not just randomly using them. That is what I got for this month in the Simply Earth essential oil box. So if you guys are interested, remember, check out that referral link down below and use my code to get the free bonus box and a $20 gift card to their website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have tried out Simply Earth, let me know that in the comments below. If you have any questions about anything, leave that in the comments down below as well. I would love to answer those for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.